There he is.
Yeah, shot him right through the gizzard. I gave him a little snort wheeze and he couldn't resist. But he come into 40 yards and then he veered out to about 45. The old Oneida spit some death this morning, boys. Look, I slocked him good. Down goes Louie. Wow. Man, what a rush. You know what? I've slocked a lot of critters in my day, but Big Louie, he always ranks at the top. What a thrill. My heart was just a pounding. Holy crap, here he come right down the trail at me. Every step, my heart rate got a little faster and faster. Finally, I came to full draw and I said, okay, here comes the Grim Reaper, baby. She's heading your way. So, whoop, whop, bullseye. All right, we don't even have to track. Let's go check out Big Louie.
Oh yeah, he got him! That a boy, Oh, I got him! There he goes! He's taking drag! The Slock Master.
Ah, yeah, he's in rut. Look at that spray job. That's that big 2-inch Grim Reaper. Oh my goodness, look at that. He's got a tall G2's any pretty?
Yeah.
Look at that. Zoom in on that, Anna. Yeah. Wow. Pretty awesome. Look at that old gray face on him. Yeah, he's old. Yeah, he ain't gonna get no older though. Yeah. Man, it tore him up. Died right out here where I can drive the truck up to him. We got a storm coming in too. Yeah.
Done just in time.
Yeah. So, anyway, it's been a good season so far. December's not even here yet, and I've slocked Big Louie. All right, better get this big boy out of here.